Say
I got hair bows.
You got some hair bows? Okay. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'll be doing an ombre look on this curly headband wig. I used 30 volume and my bleach, and you also need a bowl and a brush to mix the bleach and the 30 volume together. I used about 1.5 scoops of bleach, but I realized when I was putting it on my wig that I should have used a little bit more, you know, so I can get everything coated. And I'm just going to mix these two together and apply this to my wig. And you want to make sure that you mix it like a batter consistency when you're cooking. So here's a little handbag that it came in. It was so cute. I appreciate cool, thoughtful packaging from hair companies. And it came with a lot of headbands. You can never have too many headbands. And so now I'm just going to show you guys the hair. It just says 18-inch on the bag, and it says curly, just a brief description of, you know, the hair. And it comes with a net around it and some plastic on the inside. And here is the curls, just beautiful and pretty. Here's my bleach. So we're about to get into it. It's my first time doing anything like this, an ombre with bleach. So it's a learning experience. But you guys, please give me a thumbs up, you know, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and just give me some feedback on this video. I appreciate it, and stay tuned to watch how this turns out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just combing through the hair with a bristle brush just to make sure I get everything, you know, coated evenly, all on the inside, the outside, the front, the back, you know, everything. And the hair had already started processing, so I knew this is going to be a fast, you know, it took me about like 15-20 minutes for it to process, so I just left it on there for like 25 minutes. And now I'm going in with some water and just rinsing it out, some warm water, I believe it was. And look at that color. You guys, we're not going to talk about a little spot I missed. But I did point it out so you guys can see that everything needs to be coated. So now I'm going in with my Shimmer Light shampoo. And I'm just going to shampoo this unit. Okay, so now I'm going in with the conditioner, and I'm just going to let my sink fill up with some warm water and just let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now I'm just going to rinse the conditioner out after it has set, and just make sure you get everything out of the wig.